Ever wondered how crucial water conservation is in gardening? As water scarcity becomes a growing concern worldwide, it's essential to understand how overwatering can harm our plants and inflate our water bills. By conserving water, we can foster healthier plants and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Plus, who wouldn't enjoy a little extra savings on their utility bill? Now, imagine a garden that thrives with less water. Yes, it's possible through drought-resistant gardening. Creating a drought-resistant garden doesn't have to be daunting. It's all about smart planning and selection. Let's break this down into manageable steps. First, the key is in the selection of plants. Opt for those that are native to your area or are known to be drought-tolerant. These plants have evolved to survive in conditions with little water, making them ideal for your water-efficient garden. Next, consider how you can retain soil moisture. One effective way is to use mulch. It not only keeps the soil cool and prevents evaporation but also adds nutrients as it decomposes. Mulch is a gardener's best friend in a water-scarce environment. Now let's talk about watering. Efficient watering techniques can save a significant amount of water. Consider using drip irrigation or soaker hoses that deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing wastage. Finally, regular maintenance is key. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Prune your plants as needed, and ensure your irrigation system is working efficiently. Regular care will keep your garden healthy and thriving. Remember, a successful drought-resistant garden isn't created overnight. But with persistence and care, you can cultivate a beautiful, water-efficient green space. Isn't it amazing how a few simple changes can lead to a water-efficient garden? Imagine the transformation you can achieve in your own green space. Enjoyed learning about drought-resistant gardening? Then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.